All right, we're back. Here today we're doing the Clifford alarm and remote start in a 2020 Chevy Express. I'll show you a little bit of how we roll with these. Here we go. So we've got our main module out. We're going to go ahead and prep and get these wires all dialed in for the vehicle that we're working on. Alright, here we're going to solder a couple connections, tape these over. I'll make sure that solder flows in there good. Alright, at this point, I've got our vehicle connections sorted out in blocks, and you go trim away and get this broken down. Most of these wires are going to cut offset. That way there's, over the course of time, there's no chance of them touching each other. So here we got the directed 8504D. This will be your tilt, motion, and shock sensor. So whether the vehicle is being towed and tilted away, something strikes it, or it just senses G's of a vehicle rolling and moving, that will alert the alarm, trigger it. If you got smart start, you'll get an alert to your cell phone. If you've got a two-way remote, it'll page the remote. But you definitely want to take a look at getting some of either the two-way remotes that'll show you the status of the vehicle, or you want to look at getting Smart Start, which would be the app on the phone. All right, there you have it. We could take this into the vehicle, a zip tie or two, really hold up the brain and keep that secure. And what you'll notice here is for every service plug, we've got 4 locations, and then a couple accessories. Like we mentioned earlier, we've got the tilt motion. And then here we also have the cellular smart start module, so you'll be able to locate this vehicle. All right, back at you. We got the 2020 Chevy Express. Got the remote start and security system dialed in nice. Let's take a look in the dash. All right, so everything kind of comes up, follows, goes through the loom like we mentioned earlier. All the same factory look when it's all said and done. Very, very hard to differentiate what is factory and what is the accessories that we've integrated to this car. But that goes up there. We also got the tilt motion, super secure. Ain't no way that thing's moving. The tighter that is, the better it's able to pick up on any vibrations and so forth through the vehicle. Again, that's a 2020 Chevy Express. All right, so for the Siren, we got some nice no drill options. You take this bracket off, put the Siren bolted up with the factory nut. So here we go. All right, we're back. Got our Siren mounted using some factory mounts, so we're not gouging up the metal there. Also got a tilt sensor. You know, if the hood's open on this, nothing to rust out and get all crummy. So that's nice, that'll last. But that's our under hood. All right, so wrapped up with the Smart Start in the 2020 Chevy Express. We've got the Smart Start app open, brought to you by Blvd. From here, we're able to lock the vehicle, unlock. It also is arming and disarming it. Go ahead and hit start there. The vehicle will start. I'll show the effective run time. And the other thing, go ahead and arm this. So now the alarm is set. And I'm gonna go ahead and unlock and open the door. So we have alarm notifications. Alright, so we have the alarm set. You know, things like shock and tilt, you know, will set the alarm off. So if the vehicle gets hit, you know, the alarm's going to go off. And you'll get a notification to your smartphone. Alright, so that's the 2020 Chevy Express, wrapping up the alarm system. Thanks for watching. Subscribe here now. Click here to watch our channel playlist. Click here for a video chosen for you by YouTube. Subscribe here now. Click here for our channel playlist. Click here for a video from YouTube. All right.
Give it a sec.
Subscribe here now. Watch our channel playlist. Click here for a video chosen for you by YouTube.
Say that again.
Click here for a video chosen for you by YouTube. Subscribe here now. Click here to watch our channel playlist. Click here for a video chosen for you by YouTube. I think I got this last time. Subscribe here now. Click here to watch our channel playlist. Click here for a video for you chosen by YouTube. I can read your lips. Hear that.
Okay.
So what are we doing? Going with. All right.
All right, do it now.
Subscribe here now. Click here to watch our channel playlist. Click here for a video chosen by YouTube for you.
You sure about that?
No.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Subscribe here now. Or click here to watch our channel playlist. Or click here for a video chosen for you by YouTube.
Great.